Hello everyone. Welcome to our new YouTube channel, Learn to Grow. In our channel you are going to learn various tips and tricks on MS Excel, MS Word and various other topics also. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. And happy watching.
Hello friends. So this is a 1-minute video wherein you will learn how to draw shapes in MS Excel. For this you have to click this shapes button and you have to select the shape which you want to draw. I am selecting rounded rectangle right now. This is the shape which has been drawn in MS Excel. Now if you want, for example, you want this shape to automatically come in Excel book without drawing it, then what you have to should do is you have to press the control button and select the shape which you want to draw. So for example, I am putting the triangle button. Oh, this shape has come. Again control and this circle, and circle has come. So with this, the shapes can directly come with control and the shape button. So this is the small trick which has been shared by you. Thank you very much. Keep watching and keep subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you very much friends for watching this video. If you liked our video, please share it with your friends and please subscribe to our channel. You can also comment in the comment box what next video you want to have a look at, so we can come up with the same. Thank you very much.